Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get your Mailchimp form action URL. This is essential if you want to integrate your Mailchimp sign-up form with external websites or custom-built forms, giving you more control over how you collect subscribers. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account by entering your username and password. Make sure you're using the account that contains the form you want to work with. After logging in, look at the left side navigation menu and click on Forms. This section houses all your sign-up forms and embedded options. From here, you'll need to click on Other Forms to access a comprehensive view of your available forms, including both sent and draft versions. Now locate the specific form you want to extract the action URL from. This could be any sign-up form you've created for your campaigns or audience lists. Once you've found it, access the editor for this particular form. Inside the editor, click on Continue to view the embed code. This embed code is what Mailchimp generates for you to place your form on external websites. Here's where we make things easier. Copy the entire embedded code by clicking Copy Code. This code contains all the necessary information, including the action URL we're after. Now open a new tab in your browser and type in pastebin.com. Pastebin is a simple text storage site that makes it easy to search through large blocks of code. From here, paste the embedded code into Pastebin. To quickly locate the form action URL within all that code, use the find function by pressing Ctrl+F on your keyboard. A search box will appear at the top of your screen. Now type in form action into the search box. This will highlight the exact location of the form action URL within your embedded code. The URL you're looking for will typically start with something like https://youraudiencename.us1.list manage.com. Simply highlight this entire URL and copy it. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted your Mailchimp form action URL, which you can now use in custom forms or third-party integrations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.